talk no man.
And they said they're not now go on for them. I was just using you as example. Be careful of your mouth, Queenie, and listen carefully. Queenie, even somebody in the background will tell you something, not call your name, and they act like that.
Me not listen to nobody. Me make my decision for me. I let me sit down and give me 100 advice. I'm going to take piece of pint, quarter pint, 3/4 pint, and make it be 1 full pint. Me still go back and put myself first. So it doesn't matter what someone say in the background, my dear. Teach and preach. So let's teach and preach, because today is Girl Power Wednesday. I know I'm very intelligent, as ignorant and dark, as stupid as you think me is. Make them teach now, baby. Let me hear about question.
Disgrace.
Me
now go nowhere with Uno, sir.
Wait a minute, man. Oh, Queenie, calm down. Sure, me, I'll get nervous.
You know in me, I believe. Me now go nowhere with Uno. Tell you something, not call your name, and they act like that.
Wait,
You're a big disgrace. Me now go nowhere with Uno, sir. You know in me, I believe. You're a big woman, me are 68. You're a big disgrace. Me now, Queenie. Even somebody in the background will tell you something.
Yeah, that part them want get. So me, Queenie, now, if you sit in a account, beat and teach, we're 30 people there. And the 30 of them named Queenie, beat and teach. And you hold on your head and sleep or take a nap. And you hear them say, Queenie, you're not going to jump up and be alert. So you know, I'm going to say you use me as example. Come on internet, where people all over the world come say, Queenie, you know, pay me Queenie up at England. I go on with whatever you said, and then I go say, come pay me. Remember, Uno, come pay me my money. And Obeah, spiritual working and wedding and pay money and so wait them. Me now go jump and alert and say me so true. Somebody in the background tell me press button Queenie say it's not me, me said not me baby, me no work so lady. And that's why I live so long. Thank God you are 68, me are 53. I hope I live till 68 like you are onwards. Big up yourself, beat and teach me. Me listen you again.
You're a big disgrace. Me now go nowhere with Uno, sir. You know in me, I believe. You're a big woman, me are 68. You are 53. Keep calm, Queenie, and listen to the video again, once and for all. Be careful.
So tell me now, you necessarily someone a contradict herself. You know in my league all the way. I say, but I use Queenie as example, as you said. So that's the power of the Queen, my dear. You have to use me as example. Why you never use yourself as example, baby? You ever see me using a blood clot as example? It's more than when I road and I talk and I vent. I just say my mind and move on. I don't suck blood clot me on no more. I don't see my jaw sucking enough. Let me listen more.
You disrespect me because I don't know you. I never do nothing for you. Queenie gangster. Please listen to the video good. Queenie, you see how me I beg you and everybody knows that my mouth not nice now. I'm a terrible no blood clot. You hear? Me no see blue cloud like I want to see black cloud. Be careful of your mouth. Again, once and for all.
The whole of we see blood clot, black cloud, black, blue, sometimes the blue, the sky grey, sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's a purple looking like lilac. The whole of we see dark blood clot cloud, because everything come with light and dark. Me I look cloud. Me my own cloud lady. Don't come see me upon blood clot this so much in the ears. Before Instagram, before nothing know about blood clot, Instagram me upon this hour. None of blood clot and you can't take me off of this. Oh look cloud. Nothing I go on for me, something I go on for woman because me have like you're rude. You send message but you apologize, but at the same time you insult me. I think me take blood clot insult for invitation. And my name bull up on me. What them say, put it right in the name upon bull up. Shamba. What happened? The plane I met nice, so I stop the lady. Oh, you did it, so.
Of your mouth again, once and for all. It's not. The video is not for you. I want you. I want somebody to send this video to you. It's a blood clot. Be careful.
You be careful. You be pussy ass, bomber blood clot. Careful, oh man.
That hour. Nothing I'm going for you know you look cloud, if you pull out me. Eh?
Oh. You know if I when me I hide from internet, I'm still pass by now and then. Me not look no cloud for you, baby, my own cloud.
That hour. Nothing I'm going for you know, you
That's a
look
rude
cloud.
woman.
Careful of your mouth. Again, once and for all. It's not. The video is not for you. I warn you, I want somebody to send this video to you. It's if you blood clot, be careful. And your mouth and how you talk. Because you must feel say you are one queen in the world. That's our. Nothing I'm going for you know, you look cloud, if you pull out me. Eh? Girl, go on here, man. Big woman, go on before me deal with your nice to blood clot. Because me no see you, me no know you, girl. Me no
You
work
don't
for
make
people
any
like
sense.
you have too much PROBLEM. Keep moving. Keep
The
it
whole of
moving.
we
You
are
hear
the
me?
same
That's
period,
your video.
girl. Pussy and
Get
problem.
no clout off of me. I was using you as an example how you are doing well in England. And people there in England, they said they're not now going for them. I was just using you as example. Be careful of your mouth, Queenie, and listen carefully. Queenie, even somebody in the background will tell you something, no call your name and you act like that. You're a big disgrace. Me now go nowhere with Uno, sir. You know in a me
Everything, lady. Me not just disgrace alone.
53. Keep
Me love every
Queenie,
blood
and
clot
listen
thing,
to the
Bobby. Me
video
don't tell you
again,
already. I'm my
once and
pussy
for
make me
all.
want to people
Be
pills.
careful of your
Stop threatening me, Bobby. Careful, man. Me not take that. Look at something that just sound. It just sound, ooh, creepy. Be careful. What, lady? Lady, me never know you until me get the video, darling. And that's God Almighty truth. So when you say you don't know me, ask who doesn't know who. I don't know you, and that's a fact. Me not know her. Me not browse. So if somebody never should send it to my phone yesterday morning or whichever man, me wouldn't know the lady. And for that every minute you just have to tear my pussy rascal. How much grey hair you want on your pussy? You just have your teeth and nip out my grey hair from my old front to low, me woman.
disrespect me, because I don't know you. I never do nothing for you. Queenie gangster, please listen to the video good. Queenie, you see how me I beg you, and everybody knows that my mouth not nice now. I'm a terrible no blood clot. Here, me not see blue cloud like I want to see black cloud.
Me not business if you want terrible lady. When you come over here in a competition, leave me, man.
It's not. The video is not for you.
You lying.
I warn you. I
You're a
want somebody
fucking
to
lying
send this video to you.
bitch.
It's a blood
What
clot
the fuck
video.
you lying for? You know you come sarcastically and manipulate the world like how much blood clot people are do. You no fake no blood clot, no for blood clot, you know. Every minute you know depend arm, leg, shoulder, foot, butthole, nose hole, arm, blood clot, arm and leg, you know, go man. Wow, I'm quitting stop cuss though. Anyway, today Girl Power Wednesday. So I go live with LiQWYD. So I the woman go out with her contradicting stuff. I think my blood clot done. Oh, lady. Alright, everything I go on for you. Woman, the way I go rascal, you never hear them ask me how poor I was when Anthony Miller asked me how poor I was. And I said, bad poor. Bad poor. Lady, not no face, blood clot. Leave me alone. My hot girl, top girl, never a flap girl. I want to tour the world. My girl, I want to see me for double tap. Leave me alone. The 6th of October, I'm going to make 2 years my daughter pass away. And I release my pain song. Pain, life is pain, Queenie. You know, I go. And that way I want that too. She want a friend, yeah. She rude. Remember, I'm sensitive even though I'm rough, you know. Yes, I have to protect myself from words. Words are very powerful. And if you let your guard down, somebody can distract you and conquer you. No. He's a warrior. Yeah, when I see the warrior, something, I some kind of liberty. Oh, spiritual. None of blood clotting, none of spiritual more than my life. So me spiritual over my life. And I put none of spirituality over my one. Me and God spiritual. Yeah. For the thing said. Who is the woman? You know, she come from Canada. Remember, so the internet have all kind of people have character. Let me tell you the difference, isn't it? All kind of people have character, isn't it? The world is a place like this now where internet can bring out everything, many things. So like all one a foundation, like myself from Instagram just come out. The crave for them is everybody got all different kind of contents. No one everybody is freestyle like me when I can't get up. Lie down in the grass, put two of the grass in my ears to tickle me and laugh and enjoy myself and find me entertaining. So majority of the people have this trouble me Queenie. Cause me always over there, everybody a class me. So all when you come straight forward and say Queenie. If you ever tell people say uno for pay me. And look on Queenie them up a foreign or Queenie I live whatever you say I find. You listen to it right there and then you pinch me woman. I'm a pinch about now you're gonna tell me this, that or not. Woman leave me alone, yeah? I owe this. Me see video there, me get them this morning. And then she said she don't trouble me.
Blessed love, Queenie. How are you?
I'm fine. Wow, me here nicey. Where are
Thank you,
you?
love. Good. I'm just healing you up. I haven't been online. I just wanted to reach out and tell you that I still love you
Thank
and to
you.
check on you. How are
Thank you.
you?
I'm good, Girl Power Wednesday. Thanks for checking in,
Yeah,
okay?
man. I'm in the Uber. I'm in my Lyft, and I'm still thinking of you. Bless up
Pray,
yourself and all your followers.
pray for me, darling.
I will
Thank you.
pray for you. Blessed love, Queen Waves,
You see
everyone.
them nice.
All right.
Thank
Oneness.
you.
All right. Thank you. Blessed love.
Yeah.
All right.
Blessed love, nice lady. Empress. She kind of look like me doing. Empress. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. I don't want to tell me something not now going for me. Lady, what's your definition of nothing not going on? What is when something going on for you? I let me like a root something up. Hmm? Yes, she have good vibes on. My mouth dry. Nice lady. All right, somebody else come talk to me. Bumba Clark, ready you there? Ready, boy? Morning, ready. Hello, my holy friend. I Pixie. Hello, everybody. Women, remember them name. Love you all. All right, let me tell you something now. Oh, no, don't worry about me. I'm all right. You understand me? I have good health. I have energy. I have appetite. I have life. I don't have England right now, but it's right here I'm supposed to be. Okay? Thank you. Stay healthy and safe. I will. Yeah? Listen. No, come over here, come make no mischief. Good morning from New York. I am happy that you're doing it. Thank you. I'm happy too when you're back at England. You know, you hear me say, when I reach. Yeah, glow though. Auntie, I should wash my face with, red soap named Carbolic a while ago. I'm beard. Ah! So what happened? My good man being a good. Why the lady still up on me something? She not come off. Feeling make me day every day. That's a do it. That's a do it. Everywhere we go, them just start so do it. One man to me, once you're breathing, you have it. Thank you. You see that? Once you're breathing, you have it all, and that's a fact. Fully enjoy. Why the lady stuck on the something and now come off? Mm-mm. It's freeze.